Imagine an SUV that blends bold style, advanced technology, and surprising performance. The 2026 Daihatsu Terios is here, breaking boundaries and redefining what a compact SUV can be. In this exclusive unboxing, we reveal every detail of its striking redesign, from the aggressive exterior to the feature-packed cabin, and the impressive performance that will leave you speechless. Welcome to our channel, and thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you're having a wonderful day filled with energy and positivity. May this journey inspire you to dream big, work hard, and achieve your goals. Just like Daihatsu has done in crafting this remarkable SUV, let's dive in together and explore what makes the 2026 Terios truly special. Every dream starts with a vision, and every success comes from persistence. Daihatsu has taken that same philosophy to create a car that is not only stylish and modern, but also practical and reliable. As you watch this review, remember that just like the Terios has evolved, you too can transform your journey into something extraordinary. The exterior of the 2026 Terios is a statement of boldness. A redesigned front grille with a sharp, modern edge, sleek LED headlamps, and a more aerodynamic profile create a powerful road presence. Its sculpted body lines not only enhance aesthetics, but also improve airflow, making it both beautiful and efficient. This is a design that turns heads wherever it goes. From the robust alloy wheels to the refined chrome accents, every detail of the Terios 2026 exterior reflects precision and care. The integrated roof rails hint at its adventurous side, while the redesigned rear lights bring a touch of sophistication. This SUV doesn't just look good, it feels ready to take on any journey, urban or off. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that combines elegance with functionality. Premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a spacious layout create an environment of comfort. The ergonomic seats provide support for long drives, while the clever storage solutions ensure you have space for everything you need, making every trip both relaxing and practical. At the heart of the cabin is a cutting-edge infotainment system featuring a large, responsive touchscreen. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your favorite apps are just a touch away. The sound system delivers crisp audio, while the intuitive controls keep you connected and in command. This is technology designed to make driving effortless and enjoyable. Under the hood, the 2026 Terios offers an engine that balances efficiency and power. Whether navigating city streets or exploring open highways, it delivers smooth acceleration and confident handling. Improved fuel economy ensures fewer stops at the pump, while enhanced suspension tuning provides a ride that's comfortable yet responsive. Safety is a top priority, and the Terios 2026 is packed with advanced driver assistance features. From adaptive cruise control to lane departure warning, every system is designed to protect you and your passengers. The robust build and reinforced chassis give peace of mind, knowing that this SUV is engineered with your safety in mind. With all its upgrades, the 2026 Terios remains competitively priced, offering incredible value in the compact SUV segment. It's a vehicle that delivers style, performance, and practicality without breaking the bank. For families, adventurers, and daily commuters alike, it's an investment in both reliability and driving pleasure. The Terios has a proud history of serving drivers who demand versatility and dependability. Over the years, it has evolved from a simple, rugged SUV into a modern, feature-rich companion for today's lifestyle. The 2026 model is the boldest step yet, honoring its legacy while embracing the future. The 2026 Daihatsu Terios isn't just a car, it's a reflection of how ambition and innovation can create something truly inspiring. Just as this SUV has transformed, you too can achieve greatness by taking bold steps forward. Let this be your reminder that the road ahead is full of opportunities waiting to be seized. Thank you for watching this full review of the 2026 Daihatsu Terios. If you enjoyed this journey, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting automotive content. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and remember, your dream drive is closer than you think.